Welcome. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to use variables in Outgrow, pass those values out, and even reuse the data, making your content smart, connected, and personalized. Let's get started. Creating a variable. Log in to your Outgrow dashboard. Select the quiz, chatbot, or calculator you'd like to customize. Choose your pre-made experience and navigate to the Configure tab. Click on Integrations, then select Incoming Data to proceed with personalization. Here are the most commonly used variables. UTM_source shows the website name the user came from. UTM_medium shows the type of link used by the user. UTM_campaign shows the campaign name the user came from. UTM_term shows the search keyword used by the user. UTM_content shows the specific option clicked by the user. You can also create your custom variable by entering a key and a value. Passing data out of Outgrow. With Outgrow, there are various ways to export data to the CRM tool of your choice. The first one is transferring data through URL. You can capture data via URL with the help of UTM or custom variables. The second one is transferring data using integration. You can also pass these variables during integration with your marketing tool. The third one is passing data via webhook. In general terms, a webhook is simply a notification sent over the web, which is triggered automatically whenever a specific event occurs. And the last one is exporting data in a spreadsheet. You can export from the Analyze tab to export the data in a spreadsheet. Reusing variables data. You can reuse variable data from one Outgrow content to another and use that information in calculating results. By navigating to the results page and opening the formula builder and adding the respective mathematical operators that you would like to use in the formula, click on Apply Formula and then click on Publish to save the changes. And that's it. You now know how to create, pass, and reuse values with Outgrow variables.